Hello, visitor. Happy New Year! It's 2020, and I thought I would try something new. I'm starting a YouTube channel to explain things of curiosity and importance. For my premiere video, here's my topic. In November 2019, Torrent Freak and The Verge reported that the US Patent Office wants to know the public opinion on the issue of AI. Can an AI create something that violates an existing patent? And/or can AI create something that is patentable? Moving forward, I am extremely glad that the Patent Office is trying to make up for the past mistakes by opening it up to the public. I strongly think you should submit your comments before the 10th of January 2020 to AI partnership at USPTO.gov. So what is this past mistake that I'm referring to? Well, there's a fascinating documentary from 2003 called The Corporation. It's from Canada. And I'm going to directly quote Jeremy Rifkin, president of the Foundation on Economic Trends. In the late 1970s, General Electric and Professor Chakrabarty went to the patent office with a little organic organism microbe that eats up oil spills. They said that the modified microbe was done in a laboratory and therefore was an invention. The patent office and the US government reviewed this invention and they said, no. Patent statutes do not cover living things. This is not an invention. And they turned it down. Then General Electric, undeterred, they appealed and went to the U.S. Customs Court of Appeals, and to everyone's surprise, in a 3-2 decision, they overrode the Patent Office decision. Then the Patent Office appealed, and what the public should realize is now that the Patent Office was very clear that you cannot patent life. If you allow patents on this microbe, it means that without any congressional review or public discussion, corporations will own the blueprints of life. When they made the decision, the Supreme Court ruled 5-4. Chief Justice Warren Burger said, some issues are big issues, and we think this is a small issue to decide on. Ouch, ouch, ouch. 7 years later, the U.S. Patent Office issued a one-sentence decree. You can patent anything in the world that's alive except a full-birth human being. Some countries followed suit of the United States. Some exceptions, like the Supreme Court of Canada, have said no on all accounts. This is a bad idea. Patenting living things is terrible. Long-term implications of this has set precedent. In April 2003, the human genome was fully mapped, sequenced, and eventually large sections of it was patented by medical and genetic companies. That's right, you don't get to own parts of your own DNA, according to the U.S. courts and patent office. Sorry. Back to the question of the AI creating things that are up for patentable review, I strongly think you should submit your comments before the 10th of January 2020 to AI partnership at USPTO.gov. I'm not interested in trying to persuade, but here's my deepest thoughts on the issue. Think in terms of goals and understanding goals. I am against allowing the USPTO to grant access to AI-created concepts for patentable rights. The current status of AI today is abysmally low, but has a high unpredictable potential in the future. AI is a math tool, and when humans build AIs, to solve a problem, they can creatively dream up the goals and understand that goal. Most AI currently does not fully understand the concept of generating goals, even though it's solving problems. Frankly, if AI were ever to reach that pinnacle, then we have a much bigger problem on our hands. Whether or not an AI created thing should be patentable or not. If and when an AI can dream up its own goals, it might decide that, hey, humans aren't necessary and try to wipe them out. Remember, think in terms of goals, and you can see that it doesn't seem like a very good idea to let AI creations or creations from AI be patentable. Okay, I am done for tonight. Peace out.